Okay, my friends, 2 passengers done. I'm giving you play-by-play live updates. At some point, I will update all my thumbnails and titles, but hopefully you're gonna like this. This is something completely different. I've never done this. The time is 9:09 in the morning. We've made $41 in 2 passengers. Let me show you. This is 2 back-to-back rides. Okay, for the week, we're at $508, which is awesome. This is where I wanted to be yesterday, but that's okay. So tonight, by the time I finish, my minimum goal is to be at 600. Ideally, I would like to be around $700 if possible. If I can do 600 on a Wednesday, I'm still good, because by Thursday I like to be at 800. Then Friday, Saturday, Sunday is easy, right? And today I have dinner plans with a buddy, so I can't drive late. Basically, I can drive to around 8 p.m. After that, I'm gonna enjoy the evening and have dinner and hang out with my friend. You can read all these numbers as you like. And for today, let me show you where we're at. And I'll keep doing this after every video, just short updates. I've been active for an hour and a half. I've been online for 2 hours. This is very good. 2 passengers. I've made $40 or $41. And if you look at my notes over here, this is the last person that I dropped off. I've done, if you look right here, I've done 56 miles, right? 20 of those miles are me leaving my house, right? So take 20 off, so it's 36. So I've basically, when I first started driving Uber, 36 miles, 41 earning. That's 1-to-1 ratio, and that's how I keep track of it. Now, this passenger was a great conversation, right? Basically, what ended up happening is she's in rehab. She had a miscarriage, and she's dealing with alcohol and AAA, and she was talking to me. I gave her some good advice. I encouraged her to let God lead. And she's like, oh my God, are you some sort of guru or spiritual teacher? I said, no, I'm just a simple guy. I like helping people. I've been there, done that. And she's like, well, how can I get in touch with you? I was like, I got a YouTube channel if you want to follow me, and another subscriber. She's going to follow. She's going to comment. Her name is Nikki. We're going to keep in touch. And this is how I do it. 1 passenger at a time. Okay, now we're going to turn the app on. But before we turn the app on, we're going to turn on UberX preferences, right? And we're going to turn it on. Uber's going to take 1 or 2 minutes to calculate how they're going to give us whatever they're going to give us. And remember, we're not in a rush. We are in charge, not the algorithm, okay? I'm going to zoom out, and I always have a plan. I'm close to the airport. We're going to go right there. And if you look down here, 9, 10, 11, there's still people coming in. Uber XL is 11 out of 15. Comfort is 31. Uber X is 36. This is good news because it's not full. At Burbank, when Uber X and Comfort are full, then there's no place to park. I'm going to go there, wait, look for another $20 ride. And while I'm on my way there, whenever a red light comes, I'll talk to you guys. So now, let me turn it on. Oh, it is on. I'm going to go here. And anytime something pops up, I'm going to say no. And wherever there's a red light and I can give you some advice, I will. So look at this, 28 minutes, 12 miles away, and that's my way of relocating. And I know the trolls are gonna be on my channel complaining like, you're wasting time, you're wasting gas, you're only making $8 an hour, you know, and then they're gonna make fun of my beard, they're gonna make fun of my race, they're gonna make fun of my big nose, they're gonna make fun of my bald head. Guys, you can't get me with words anymore, right? It's all good, right? What I've been through in my life, the trolls are like the best part of creating content. Yes, 2 years ago when someone would comment on my channel, it would hurt. I would feel it. Now I laugh and I try to see if I can have a witty response back. And the more they text and the more they comment and the more I respond, the more my channel grows, and I love it. And the trolls that are idiots, they don't even realize it. Like, other YouTubers block them. I'm all like, no, hell no, don't block the trolls. You want the trolls. Like, let the trolls know that pretty soon they're gonna help your channel grow and you're gonna be able to monetize. And without them, we can't do it. And here's the dangerous part. I'm driving, and yes, $3.32. I wish it was $3.33. That would be Jesus numbers, right? Remember, lowball, then higher, 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 and keep talking to the algorithm. Say, no, Uber algorithm, nobody on this planet, even people in India, Uber algorithm, they won't take it, right? Nobody will take this. Even people in Iran will not take $3.32. And when you lie like this, another Uber driver match, Uber algorithm, that's lying. That's not good. If you lie like that, then no one's gonna drive Uber anymore. This is how I train the algorithm. I keep talking to it. Right now, there's a red light. And guess what I'm gonna do? Turn the app off, punish it. Punish it for a little bit. Make it think, oh my God, what's going on? Is he going that way? Is he going this way? And then check LAX. If LAX is not too far away, like let's say if LAX was showing green and there was 50 people, then I will just change my mind and drive right towards LAX and not go towards Burbank, right? Because Burbank is the closest airport, I'm gonna continue heading that way. And that's how you punish it. You literally have to punish the Uber driver app algorithm, because when it doesn't make money, the CEO gets in trouble, and then their stock won't go up, and their stock doesn't go up, guess what? He's gonna get fired, and the board is gonna find somebody else, right? So what we want is we want the CEO of Uber getting fired. We want the CEO of Lyft getting fired. If these guys are not getting fired, then that's not good for us. And don't worry, don't feel bad about them, because they don't have a heart. I'm gonna pull over for a second because I have to do something. They don't have a heart. It does not bother them. Have you seen Dara's face? The guy has no heart. Anything we say, even the CEO of Lyft, they have no heart. I don't even know his name, but they have no heart. Now I'm gonna do this and type in Burbank. And this is a different way I'm going. And I'll tell you why I did that in a second. Boom. That's just another way to turn the app back on, right? Now look, over here, because I used a destination mode to get somewhere, up here, it'll always show that. It won't show any other address, it won't show anything else, and that's important to know. Because sometimes you drop off a passenger and you're going somewhere and you're using the destination or the navigation in Uber, it's dumb. It just remembers the last person's address, and I'm a YouTuber. I don't want the customer's address or information showing up. So this is what I do. I go in and tell it to take me somewhere manually, and then now it's showing Hollywood Burbank Airport, but I'm not there. I'm on my way there, but it looks kind of cool for my YouTube video. Give me a thumbs up for that, guys. Come on, that's a pro tip right there. Pro tip. I love red lights. Oh my God, $15 a reservation. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. We'll take it. Remember, guys, you gotta have a minimum, right? $15 I'll take, and otherwise I'm gonna go to the airport and I'm gonna sit there and wait sometimes an hour or two, and get $15 or $20, right? So we're gonna go ahead and take it. This is a reservation, which is even better. Let me go ahead and upload this video and let you guys know another $15 coming in. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Help me grow so I can create more content like this, and help you guys grow so we can all stop driving Uber, right? That's the goal. The goal is for all of us to stop driving Uber.